What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Bullish Bears YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the long and short position tool on TradingView. This is a fantastic tool to use if you do trade and chart with TradingView. It gives you exact risks to reward, how many contracts you need to have that proper risk to reward, and it's really just overall a great tool that I personally use every single day whenever I take any trade. So let's get into it and I'll show you guys how it works. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to want to do to use the tool is we're going to want to locate it. So we're going to come to this left bar over here with the rest of our tools, and we're going to come down to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th slot, which we're usually hovering over long position or short position, and we're going to click, for this example, the short position. For me and the community that we trade with, we like to trade supply and demand. So our entry point for a short position would be in the supply zone. So I would click where I would want my entry to be, which is 45.77.75. And I would drag to my stop loss, the top of the zone, or wherever your stop would be, which for in this case is 45.82.75. Now we're going to take our take profit down to the demand zone, or wherever your take profit would be a 45.59.25, and this would be a 3.7 to 1 risk to reward trade. That is a great risk on this trade, really good ratio. And right now I have in my settings that we're risking $800 because it would be set on a 50k account, and I'll show you guys these settings in just a moment. And the take profit, if it does hit the full take profit, would be 29,600. So again, a 3.7 risk to reward trade, great profit. I know exactly how much I'm risking if the trade runs against me. I know how much I'm making if the trade runs for me. So when I enter the trade, I'm not going to be worried that, oh no, is it going to hit my stop? Because I'm already prepared. I know how much I'm going to lose if it goes against me, which will happen. I know how much I'm going to make when the trade runs for me, which also will happen sometimes. So we have to make sure we have proper risk to reward management so we could really capitalize on the good trades. So I'm going to play this one out, and I'll show you guys exactly how that pans out. So we would enter in a supply zone, we would manage our risk to reward, and we got to remember, so there would be our entry, we chop around. And now a lot of people would end up getting out over here. Right now, if you entered up here, if you were in our trading community, which you guys could check our live streams, I believe this was a trade that we acknowledged. We would have gotten these shorts up top. We got a nice move lower. It probably bounced around VWAP over here before we continued the second leg lower. Now, a lot of people see chop when they're in a trade and they get nervous, they get antsy, they exit. What the TradingView tool of the long and short position tool does is it helps us stay cool, calm, and collective and know, okay, we have our entry point. I have my stop loss. I have my take profit. If price is chopping in between, I cannot exit the trade. Price will either hit my target or my stop loss, but in between, everything else is just noise. The market is always going to be trying to stop us out. So in this next section, I'm going to be covering the settings of these tools and how to really modify them and use them to your benefit so you could really use them in your trading. So let's check it out. Alright guys, as for the settings on the TradingView tool, the long position and short position tool, what we're going to do is we're going to click the tool itself. We're going to come to this little gear icon, or we could right click and also come down to the settings icon. And we're going to want to change the account size to whatever account size we are trading on. $50,000 account, $100,000 account, whatever you want it to be. Let's say for this sake we'll do a $100,000 account. Lot size, I normally leave mine at 1 because what you'll see with the tool is it will tell you how many contracts you need anyways. Risk, it gives you the option to do percentage or US dollars, so an exact amount. Again, I personally use the exact amount, so if I'm looking to risk $800, $1,000, $750, what the tool will do for me is it will tell me exactly how many contracts I need. So you leave the entry price alone, leave the profit level, stop level alone. These are the only bits in the settings that you're going to want to change. You could always, of course, change the style and color as well. I always make sure to bring the clearness, I bring it down a little bit so I could see the candle so it's not as bright. Want to make sure your price level is there. You can see that on the right hand side. And what you could do is you could do compact stats mode, right? So you see if you turn that off, you get a more in-depth risk to reward ratio, closed P&L, what it's at and everything. I like mine to be a little more compact. I don't need all the in-depth. This gives me enough information. This always show stats. What that will do, I'll show you guys, is when you click off of it, it will still show you what the risk to reward is on that. That again is also a preference thing. If you want it to always show, great. If you don't, like myself, I'd rather keep it off sometimes. If I hover, I want to see it. If I click it, I want to see it. If not, I want it off. It looks clean with it off as well. Same thing for the long position tool. If you go over to the long position tool, you would click where your entry would be, where your stop would be, and take profit. And same thing, you would have in your settings, you would go to settings, you would go to inputs, how much your account is worth, what your risk would be on this trade. Again, let's say it's 750. And again, it would tell you how many contracts you need per trade. So this says 2.8 contracts. You can't trade 2.8 contracts. So what's it going to do? It's going to fill you at 2 contracts. Let's exit this replay mode. And I will show you guys exactly how that works when it comes to actually setting up our position. So this is just going to be an example. As you guys see, we're on a paper trading account. And what I would do, if this was my trade, if this was my setup, I was targeting this candle is open, we would right click and we would do create limit order. Now because it's a sell, because it's a short position, it tells me where it's at, it tells me my risk, it tells me how many units, because I'm risking 750, right, $750, it's only a 2.5 point risk to reward. So it's a very tight stop loss. So I'm able to do 6 contracts on this trade. So I would do sell, and it would automatically place my stop with how much I'm risking, so 750, with my take profit and how much I'm looking to make, which would be 3,600. It says the percent gain as well. You're able to move these around, and it adjusts with it too. It's really, really a great tool, guys. I would 100% recommend using it. Make sure you click that like and subscribe button. Join us on our live streams. Make sure you check us out, bullishbears.com. We have a Facebook, Twitter, everything, and we do live stream every morning for our community. bullishbears.com. Join now. Happy trading, everyone. Have a great day.